Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with another Color Street Color Play unboxing. This is the July subscription box, Colors in Motion, I want to say. And I'm so sorry, my nails are like totally worn down already. This, if you guys have not seen the video, click through my videos. It was the last video I made, inspired Manny by The Rise of Red. Descendants, Disney's Descendants, The Rise of Red. This is Red, but we will be doing Chloe towards the end of the week, because my nieces want to do a movie marathon of all 4 Descendants movies, and yeah, so we'll see if that actually happens. But enough about that. We are here to unbox this thing, and I have not seen any spoilers, thank goodness. So let's see what my first impressions are of Colors in Motion. If you subscribe to the box and you haven't received yours yet and you want a surprise, please click off of this video now. Otherwise, continue to watch and see what I think. Alright, here we go. First, I will put this away. Won't look at that. Flip these over, and we'll look at them one by one backwards. And the usual nail file and nail prep pad are included with the mystery box. Or I should say sub box. It's not really a mystery, I guess. What is this? This is the free item. What is it though? Let's take a look. Is it weird that I like the Ziploc bag that it comes in more than I like the bag itself? That's weird of me, right? But yeah, I mean, what is it for? I guess we'll find out when we look at this pamphlet afterwards. But don't know what that is. Not sure what I'll use it for, but okay. I mean, it's a free gift in each sub box. Rose Rush is the first one. Rose Rush. Let's take a look. Wow. That is very neon. Whoa. Very neon. I don't know. I mean, I do like the color, but solids are so hard to work with for me. Like, look at this. This is a solid, and look, I'm already getting bubbles and all that and grow out. And yeah, I'm just horrible with solids, so I don't know how I feel about Rose Rush. Colbalt Cascade. Colbalt Cascade. Oh, now this is more my jam. Okay. Look at that glitter. Oh, it's like a greenish yellow glitter, or maybe it's just yellow glitter, and because of the cobalt blue color it kind of gives off a green vibe. But that looks like when the sky is just like starting to like lose color and it's starting to get really dark and the stars are shining. I really like that. Alright, Mint Sprint. These are all like running words, huh? Motion. Words in motion. Oh, I love this. Okay. Now that is totally my jam. What is that? Dual chrome. Very, very like almost hint of blue with the yellow and the mint color. Oh, I don't think the camera is doing this color justice. I can't wait to wear this color. In fact, I probably will wear this color. I'll probably take this off just to do a transition mani, and it's probably going to be with that one because that is beautiful. Wow, so far all full sets. Fluid Motion. Here's another motion. Oh, okay, okay. That is actually very timely that came, because I might be able to utilize that for the Chloe mani this weekend with the kiddos, because Chloe is blue, and so I was going to use Wicked Cool, but this this might be cool, or better in a sweater. Anyways, if you're new to Color Street, you wouldn't even know what I'm talking about, so I'll just stop. Glow with the Flow. Why didn't they make this one a freaking full set? What the hey? Oh, this totally gives off the vibe of the box. Look at that. Dude, why? Color Street, Thought Park, why wasn't this a full set? I'm mad. Like, I am literally mad. Glow with the Flow totally should have been a full set instead of that pink one. Because, seriously, dude. Anyways, what'd you guys think? If you got your box, what were your first impressions? I can now finally watch those unboxing videos. I know Shannon made one, and I think Stacy made one. If those names don't even ring a bell to you, look in the comments, the description below for the video. Description, I have links to Shannon Paetzel's YouTube video, YouTube channel, as well as her Facebook group, and Stacy Adams' YouTube video, YouTube channel and Facebook groups, if you don't know them already. But yeah, I totally gotta go watch their unboxings. But as we always have been doing recently, let's read through this pamphlet, Color in Motion. So Color Play by Color Street, July 2024. I mean, this is cute. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I like that. I might actually copy that. Stacy Slants. Stacy Slants have made it into the Color in Motion pamphlet. Anyways, in this month's box, bring colors to life with Color Play's Color in Motion. This box features 2 brilliant blue glitters, a neon mint shimmer, and a neon pink cream, and a wavy glitter design that brings a dynamic display of energy to your fingertips. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design that draws the eye. Hey, they didn't use the word bespoke Manny or something. They've been doing that a lot in the pamphlets, and they didn't do it this time. Bonus item. Okay, what the heck is this? Sprint into style with the perfect on-the-go baby blue pouch for all your essentials. Okay, Color Street, this is cheap. Like, if you were really truly going to give us something that was good for on the go, you should have turned this into a freaking fanny pack, or like a side bag, or like one of those cell phone holders. So, Thought Park, do better, please. That's just my 2 cents, though. I'm probably in a grouchy mood because Aunt Flo is in town, and also I've been like working all day since 7 this morning to like 7 at night. So a 12-hour work day, plus only had 1 meal today. So anyways, no more complaints. Here we go. Meet the strips. Rose Rush. Experience the energy rush with this neon pink hue. It's 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a neon cream. And then we have Colbalt Cascade. Leap into the action with this cobalt coated in holographic glitter. 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, and it's a glitter. And then we have Mint Sprint. Race with grace with this icy blue flash neon mint. It's 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, neon shimmer. And then we've got Fluid Motion. Synchronize in fluid motion with this baby blue glitter. And it's 2 sheets, 8-finger strips, and it is a glitter. And then last but not least, which they should have made full set of that, Glow with the Flow. 2 sheets of 4-finger strips, glitter design. Glow with the Flow with the soft nude glitter with a multicolored curve design. And then this is another example of something you can do. So they used Fluid Motion, Glow with the Flow, and Rose Rush in this one. I'm not a fan of this one as much as the one on the front cover. So the front cover had Colbalt Cascade, Rose Rush, Fluid Motion, and Mint Sprint. And then back cover has Rose Rush and Glow with the Flow. So here we go. Share with us. I think the front cover one's the best one, in my opinion. What do you think? Comment below. Share your bold and bright manicure on social media and use the hashtag #colorplay to show the world your creativity. There's some more manis. Looks like that's Rose Rush all by itself. Then we've got Rose Rush Colbalt Cascade, Glow with the Flow and Fluid Motion right there. And then we've got Colbalt Cascade all on its lonesome, Fluid Motion and Mint Sprint together. Well, that is all of it. So let's put this all together really quick and see what you guys think. So if you don't have any specific comments you want to leave, and you just want to leave an emoji to let me know you watched the full video, let's have you put, just because looking at this reminds me of a rainbow, let's have you guys put a rainbow flag in the comments. And that's all she wrote. But it is beautiful. I am probably going to do a transition mani. And yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and my first impressions on the box. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.